Halo? Can you hear me?
Ya, Ibu.
Yes. Oke. Ya we are listen together, okay? Unit 5.
Can I start the discussion? I think we should first put it clearly before answering the questions. If we rush, we might misunderstand the opinion. We should divide the questions so everyone can contribute.
Read instructive mistakes.
That is a good idea. Let me read the instructions aloud so we all.
Time is limited and we still need to submit a task.
Yes, I understand. Maybe after reading, we can share our ideas one by one and respond briefly to each other.
I'm not sure about the second question. Could we discuss that part more before deciding?
Of course. Let me explain what I understand first, and then you can share your opinion. What do you think?
Okay, guys. Can we repeat again or it's enough? Rehan?
Enough.
Enough, yeah. Okay. Now we are going to answer the next question. For the task 1, identifying main ideas. What is the main purpose of the discussion? Please, Deden. To urge about group members to complain about the task, to organize how to complete the task, or to finish the task quickly. Kang Deden?
Iya, Bu ya.
Ya, yang mana? The answer is?
Isi.
Si. Nuju naon, Kang Deden? What are you doing?
Menuju aya kegiatan nih, Bu.
Apa bekerja?
Iya,
Ngajar, lagi ngajar.
iya.
Oke, to organize how to complete the task. Masih bisa menyimak?
Kalau ini menyimak, Bu, masih.
Baik. Oke, the second question. What does the speaker agree is important before answering the question? Silahkan Teh Susi.
B mungkin, Bu.
B. Yang lain?
Ya, B.
B ya. Jadi pembicara itu setuju bahwa apa namanya memahami topik dan perintah ya untuk sebelum mereka menjawab pertanyaan. Oke, task 2, you can guys please choose between true or false for that several the following sentences. Okay. Number 3, Adenisa, please.
False.
False. Speaker one wants to rush and answer the question quickly. But false. Why you answer false? Is there any reason? Is there any reasoning? Yang sebetulnya apa berarti jawabannya? Harusnya seperti apa? Meifa. Tadi kata Denisa itu false ya. Setuju tidak? Setuju. Oke. Setuju itu setuju benar, setuju salah. False ya, harusnya apa? Hmm. Ya. Oke, jadi justru dia itu mengingatkan jangan buru-buru ya. Tapi di sini dinyatakan speaker one wants to rest and answer the question quickly. Oke. Number 4, Rayhan, please.
Saya, Miss.
True? Yeah, Rayhan. Speaker 2 agree that understanding instruction and deadline is important.
True.
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 Oke. Jadi speaker 2 ini setuju bahwa memahami instruksi dan deadline itu sangat penting. Oke, number 5, Siti Sana, please.
True.
Dibaca dulu Siti Sana.
Speaker one suggests defining the question so everyone can participate. True.
True. This is, you can read it suggest, not suggest, and dividing, not dividing. Yeah. Please repeat it again, Siti Sana. Speaker 1 suggests.
Speaker one suggests defining the question so
Dividing.
dividing the question so everyone can
Participate. Okay, true or false?
True.
True ya. Tadi di dalam dialogue, on the mini dialogue, we can listen that the speaker one suggests to dividing the question so everyone can contribute ya. Okay. For the number 6, Inas.
Ya, Bu. Number 6, speaker 2 disagree with reading the instruction together. The answer is false. Karena
False.
ya,
yang benarnya
false. Karena pembicara kedua justru setuju untuk baca dan memahami instruksinya dulu gitu.
Oke, bagus. Number 7, Raihan Juliandi. Please read it and answer the question.
Okay, number
7.
7. Both speakers are kelihatan concerned about limited time. Jawabannya true.
True ya. Both speaker are concerned about limit time. Sudah sangat jelas ya di dalam dialognya dikatakan supaya bisa menghemat waktu, dia harus dibagi per pertanyaan ya, kemudian membaca instruksi dengan tepat. Okay, good job guys. We are going to the next session, task 3, completing expression. There are 4 question ya, di mana kalian harus mengisi ya, mengisi dengan isian singkat di sini. And I think you should to listen the dialogue again. So I want to repeat again the dialogue. Okay, please listen.
Okay, can I start the discussion? I think we should first understand the topic clearly before answering the questions. If we rush, we might misunderstand the task.
I agree. That makes sense. We need to be clear about the task before writing anything, especially the instructions and deadline.
I would like to add something. In my opinion, we should divide the questions so everyone can contribute and no one is left out.
I see your point, but maybe we should read the instructions together first to avoid mistakes.
That is a good idea. Let me read the instructions aloud so we all have the same understanding.
As you mentioned earlier, we need to work efficiently because the time is limited and we still need to submit the task.
Yes, I understand. Maybe after reading, we can share our ideas one by one and respond briefly to each other.
I'm not sure about the second question. Could we discuss that part more before deciding?
Of course. Let me explain what I understand first, and then you can share your opinion. What do you think?
I agree with that approach. It sounds organized and fair. Let us start now.
Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, can we continue to the next question? Speaker one say that should understand the topic. What's the answer? The topic blah blah blah. What is the answer?
Clearly.
Clearly. Okay, good. Number 9. Speaker 2 say I agree that
Makes
Make
sense.
makes
Makes
sense.
sense.
Yeah, good. Number 10. Speaker 1 say in my blah 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 we should
Opinion.
divide the question.
Opinion.
Opinion. Good job. The next number, speaker 2 say I know about the second question.
Sure.
Sure. Okay, I'm not sure about the second question. Ya, semuanya sudah memahami dengan baik untuk listening ini, namun ada beberapa yang harus diisi ya. Nah, for task 4 is answer the question in complete sentences. So you guys please arrange the sentences to answer the number 1. Why does speaker 1 want to understand the topic before answering the questions? Anyone to answer? Please raise your hand. Why does speaker 1 want to understand the topic before answering the question? Tadi sudah jelas nampaknya. Why? Sang Putra bagaimana? You can find the answer on the mini dialogue. But if you want to listen again, you can repeat it on your phone because I don't want to repeat again.
Saya, Miss. Menjawab.
Yeah, Rehan, please.
Because if they rush, they may misunderstand the task.
Okay, good job. Because they are worried or afraid ya, misunderstanding the task if they rush. Jadi jangan terburu-buru begitu ya. Number 2, what suggestion does speaker 1 give to make sure everyone contributes? What suggestion does speaker 1 give to make sure everyone contribute, atau kata lainnya participate. Okay, if no one to answer, I will point the student. Arneta Siva, please.
Iya, Bu.
Yeah, number 2, what suggestion does speaker one give to make sure everyone contributes?
Speaker 1 suggests dividing the question among the group members so that everyone has a specific part to work on and can participate.
Okay, dividing the question, yeah, so that everyone can contribute. Okay, good job. And then number 3, why does speaker 2 think they need to work efficiently? Maybe Siti Ramada, please.
Yes, Miss. Number 3. Thinks they need to work efficiently because they have limited time.
Okay, because the time is limit, okay, and they still need to submit the task. Bagus semuanya. We are going to the next part for task 5. There are 4 expression in the following text, such as expressing an opinion, agreeing with an idea, asking for clarification, and also responding politely to a suggestion. You guys can find 4 language focus in the mini dialogue. Okay, so you can repeat it again. You can listen again the dialogue and found which one expressing an opinion, which one agreeing with an idea, which one asking for clarification, and which one responding politely to a suggestion. Do you understand for the instruction?
Yes, Miss.
Just one expression. Okay, please. Gimana? Sudah menemukan? Which one expressing an opinion? Yang mana? Yang mana? Betulkah itu opinion? Expressing an opinion. Cirinya ada kata in my opinion.
Yang ini Bu, in my opinion, we should divide the questions.
Okay, in my opinion, we should divide the questions. Ya, itu expressing an opinion. And how about agreeing with an idea? Nah, biasanya ada kata I agree gitu ya.
Yeah, I agree. That makes sense.
Oke, itu menyetujui ide ya. Sekarang asking for clarification. Could we discuss that part more before deciding? Nah, itu meminta penjelasan ya. Sebentar, sebentar. Oke. Responding politely to a suggestion. Yang mana? Responding politely to suggestion. Merespon secara sopan. Merespon saran secara sopan yang mana? Halo.
Ini mungkin I see your point, bukan Miss.
I
See your point.
your point. Oke, ada lagi? Ada yang mendengar that is a good idea. Nah itu responding politely to suggestion. Oke guys, ini saya rasa sudah mengerti ya. Nah, sekarang kita ke speaking ya. Seperti biasa, tolong dibuat kelompok menjadi dalam in one group is apa namanya terdiri dari 4 student gitu ya. Kemudian Ibu dan Bapak di sini bisa menggunakan beberapa sentence starters like I would like to start by saying I agree because I see your point but or can I add something? Nah, jadi ada minimal 4 sentence starters ya. Kemudian nanti saya akan berikan berikan topik ya yang akan dipilih. Nah, masing-masing siswa must speak at least one, jadi minimal 1 kali ya. Use the sentence starter when taking turns. Nah, kalian bisa memilih. Saya ada topik yang pertama mengenai using AI in the classroom or apa ya kemarin? Bentar. Online learning versus face-to-face learning. There are 2 topics that you can use on the dialogue. The first topic is about using AI in the classroom, and the second topic is online learning versus face-to-face learning. Okay, and I guess you have the Axis group. Jadi saya tidak usah membentuknya. Silakan menggunakan grup yang kemarin pun tidak apa-apa ya. At least one student to speak ya, and using 4 sentence starting. Do you understand? So you can choose one of theme or topic that I can used to you that the first topic is online learning versus face-to-face learning, and the second topic is about using AI in the classroom. Kang Putra sudah ada kelompoknya? You have a group?
Kemarin lagi maybe mungkin
Okay, it's
kemarin.
okay. It's okay. Or you can change the member of group. It's up to you. Baik, gimana Kang Putra? Bisa tampil silakan.
Boleh, Ibu, boleh.
Ya, who is your member?
Yang kemarin, tapi tidak ada tes service saja, Bu.
Oke, please.
Oke, siap. Okay, everyone, I think using AI in the class is a great for quick learning. What do you think about it? What do you think? What do you think?
I am great, Putra. That makes senses for hand to piece. But I am not ruse about the horsey part. What if a student just copy paste everything?
Of course, I think we need clear instruction for our teacher so we can work efficiency without losing our ID.
I see your point. So the conclusion is that AI is a helpful tool as long as we use it as a guide, not a shortcut.
I think that is a very fair conclusion. It ensures we still learn the material ourselves.
I agree. Now let's start working together because our time is limited.
We finish.
Oke, bagus sekali ya. Jadi kelompoknya Putra ini memilih AI, using AI in the classroom ya. Baik, ada yang setuju, ada yang tidak setuju ya dengan alasan masing-masing. Tapi ya memang penggunaan AI ini bisa kita implementasikan di dalam kelas ya, asal ada kontrol dari gurunya ya. The teacher should be control the using of AI during the lesson ya. Oke, the next group.
Boleh, Ibu.
Kelompok
Saya Rehan.
Raihan. Ya. What
Sama,
topic do you choose for the dialogue?
about the group discussion.
Group discussion. Group discussion. Face-to-face learning versus online learning itu kan? Or you have one topic by yourself?
About
Oke,
group discussion aja sih, Bu. Boleh
oke,
atau
silakan.
boleh, Ibu, atau harus sesuai.
Ya, boleh silakan.
Oke, boleh. Sana, silahkan.
I would like to start by saying that group discussion is very important in class because it allows students to share ideas and learn from each other.
I agree because when we work in groups, we can understand the lesson better and solve problems together.
I see your point, but sometimes group discussion is not very effective because some students do not participate actively.
Can I add something? I think group discussion is still useful because it helps students improve their communication and teamwork skill.
That's a good point. In my opinion, group discussion also helps students become more confident when expressing their ideas.
I agree because students can practice speaking and sharing their opinions in a comfortable environment.
I see your point, but I think teachers should monitor group discussions so the, that all that all students can participate equally.
Exactly. I also think that clear instructions are important so students know what they need to do.
That makes sense. Group discussion can be effective if students are responsible and work together properly.
Yes, I feel the same way. It can make learning more interesting and interactive.
Vicky, finish? Lagi? Sudah selesai, Raihan? Kelompoknya? Oke, job. Sudah?
Belum.
Oh, belum. Ya, please. Yes, please. Siapa tadi, Tina ya?
I agree, but students must also manage their time while during discussion.
In conclusion, group discussion is effective, but it requires good cooperation, clear instruction, and active participation from all students. That's all, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for Raihan and friends. That's so good. Mini dialogue. There are four sentence structure. Tadi dikatakan I would listening ya. Jadi teman-teman ketika akan kelompok ya secara share your opinion begitu ya. Jadi ada apa ya? Ada aturannya gitu ya. Jadi tidak langsung asal mengungkapkan pendapatnya gitu ya, teman-teman. Okay, guys, I think this enough because the limited time. You guys, for the unit 5, there are several tasks that you have to finish it. Okay, as writing and reading session, you can write on the textbook, and you can take a picture of the task and also submit to the LMS. Okay, I understand the. Do you understand for the instruction, or there are any question? So you have 3, 2, 3, 4. 4 unit to finish it. The unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, and unit 5. You have to finish that, the task, and then write on the textbooks on your writing hand, and also you can take a picture and upload it to the LMS. Okay, guys.
Kalau
So
yang
you can make sure that your LMS can. Gimana, Raihan?
kalau LMS-nya nggak bisa dibuka gimana, Bu? Jadi belum bisa gitu, Bu.
Belum di itu kan ke mana? Ke
Prodi.
fakultas?
Ya, masih dalam ini, Bu.
Masih dalam ini. Ya pokoknya you just finish the work. You just finish the work, and I like to make a link to collect the assignment. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. For the next weeks, the time for mid exam, right? So you can learn on the module that I give. The first is mathematics symbol, and then unit 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, there's no question. I will close the lesson. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Makasih, Miss.
Okay.